Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. Today we are going to make chicken curry, Kerala style chicken curry. So this is a very simple dish and it can be made very easily. So we can have it with rice, we can have it with chapati and also with other combinations. So let's see how to make it. This Kerala style chicken curry is simple and delicious dish made with chicken with freshly ground Kerala spice powder and coconut paste. As we all know that Kerala cuisine is well known for its unique flavors, delicious taste and simplicity. To make this chicken curry, we need 500 grams of chicken breast. This we have got it from an online store. We can get this also from any supermarket too. The next step is to wash the chicken. So we wash it 3 times to ensure the smell as well as any impurities are washed away. Next we need to squeeze away the water and place it into a clean dry bowl. The next are the ingredients we need to keep aside, which is 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 chopped onion, half a cup of mint leaves, which we will be chopping later and placing it into the dish, garam masala powder, ginger garlic paste, pepper powder, jeera powder, rasam powder, Kashmiri chilli powder, coriander powder, ordinary chilli powder, turmeric powder, vegetable oil or cooking oil and 1 cup of grated coconut. Once we have kept the ingredients ready, we need to switch on the stove on high flame, place the pressure pan and then we need to pour in 4 tablespoons of oil. And we should wait for the oil to get heated. Once the oil is heated, we can add the chopped onions, next we need to add the salt, where we add 1 teaspoon of salt to the onions and then we begin to stir. Next we need to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, once again stir the ingredients. The next step is to add the chopped mint leaf. As we stir the mint leaf along with the other ingredients, please ensure that we continuously stir it so that to avoid the ingredients from getting stuck onto the frying pan or getting burnt. Next we need to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. After which we add half a teaspoon of chilli powder, then add 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, Then we add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Add 1 teaspoon of rasam powder. Then add half a teaspoon of jeera powder. Then add half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. We have provided a link in the description where we have purchased the masalas from to make the curry. Now we need to add chopped tomatoes. The final step is to add the chicken pieces. Continuously stir the chicken pieces along with the masalas so that they can blend together. Once the masala and the chicken are blended together, are combined, then we close the pressure pan and we need to cook the chicken. For this we place the knob on the pressure cooker and heat the stove on high flame. We cook the chicken for 5 minutes after we hear the whistle. Now this has to be on low flame. So after 5 minutes, when we open the chicken, we find that the chicken is cooked. The next step is to add the grated coconut paste. Now we need to mix the grated coconut along with the chicken so that they are well combined together. As there is not much of gravy, we add a little water and we wait for the chicken to boil. This dish can be had with plain rice, with ghee rice, with Kerala naichore, with pateri, Appam, or we can have it with roti, paratha or chapathi. It's a very simple dish to be made and this can be done in a matter of minutes. We suggest you to try this out and leave your comments below in the comment section. Now our chicken curry is ready to be served. I hope you like watching our video and I request you to share this video with your friends if you find it really useful. If you have any comments or suggestions, please enter it in the comment box below. Also, your valuable suggestions will also help us to improve our channel going forward. So for the best videos and for the best recipes, please stay tuned to our next video every Saturday and Sunday at 11 a.m. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.